that most likely most people would not really put any value on that or pay attention to those details. Then the fact that we're edge bending, like parts that I know they might be touched, even though they're not visible, I still edge bend them because I don't want it only to look good. It has to feel right as well.
There's a lot of things that we have developed methods of construction and parameters for that we would not accept building differently. Like the way we construct our boxes, the way we determine our clearances for doors, for drawers. There's a very long list of things that we want to do our way because it has been proven to us to work and to be easier not just to build but to service after installation too.
I don't know what other people do because I've never worked with them, but I would say that yeah, there's types of screws that I see that are being sold that you cannot put caps over them. So I would assume that not everybody caps them, but I do, and it's something that I go out of my way to make sure that if there's a material that has grain and the caps that we make have the same grain, the grain on the cap matches the grain of the panel that is being glued on. Again, nobody would notice that, most likely. I do, and I want to pay attention to that.